Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Policygenius to update coverage comparisons instantly. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Policygenius website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the dashboard. Look for the option to connect your insurance policy. Click on that Add Policy button. A prompt will appear asking for your policy details. Provide the necessary information such as the type of insurance. Select your insurance provider from the drop-down menu. Enter your policy number accurately. Next, fill in the coverage amounts you currently hold. Review the information to ensure everything is correct. Submit the details to connect your policy. Wait a moment for the system to process your request. Once connected, navigate to the Coverage Comparisons section. Here, you'll see updated comparisons tailored to your coverage. Explore the different options presented to find the best fit. Adjust the filters if needed to refine your search. Take your time to compare coverage and pricing. If you find a suitable option, click on it to learn more. You can also save your comparisons for future reference. Make notes of any questions you may have about the options. Now, you're equipped to make informed insurance decisions. That concludes the tutorial on connecting Policygenius for instant updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.